Hello everyone, this is Sneha. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this long-awaited video. This video was requested by one of my dear friend where she asked me how to make decoupage plates. So here I am showing you how I make my decoupage plates. This video is going to be a special one as I am going to share with you all two different ways of making decoupage plates. And if you have just started in decoupage, then this video is just for you. You can see there are two plates in front of me. This one I have made using a printout from an inkjet printer on an A4 size sheet, and this one I have made using simple decorative napkin. Nobody can tell the difference between these two. So let me tell you, both the ways are simple and easy and do not require fancy supplies. Just simple trick will do the math. And the end results comes out very crisp and neat. Let me show you the close-up of these. Okay, so let's turn our old boring plates into beautiful decoration for our walls. Let's get started. So here I have two clear glass plates which I got for $1 or so from a thrift store. This is an image taken on an A4 size white sheet through an inkjet printer. You can take images print from any printer. Inkjet images tend to get smudged while working with water-based products on it, while laser printer won't. But I am going to show you an easy way to use your inkjet printed images on a decoupage. When I saw this image, I immediately fall in love with this and wanted to use this one. But you can choose any image, purely your choice. Also, I wanted to keep both the plates somewhat similar, so you can see I have similar kind of decorative napkin as well. Along with these, we are going to use some simple basic supplies like decoupage glue or Mod Podge. I'm using a matte finish Mod Podge, or any polymer glue will also do. And some broad brushes to work with, or any size brush will also do. I prefer working with broad brushes because they are easy to work with, and a sponge brush or dauber. Some acrylic colors of your choice, along with white acrylic. We also need rubbing alcohol to clean the glass surface. To seal our final product, we will also need varnish or any color sealant. When working with printed images, we also need a spray adhesive and a color fixative. Let's start our first step. First, I'm going to clean the surface, remove any debris from the glass surface by rubbing alcohol on it gently. For this, I am flipping the glass plate to the reverse side and rubbing alcohol with the help of cotton ball. Next, I am going to start spraying the color fixative on the image printed from the printer. This will help my image to secure from smudging, and I will allow it to dry naturally for 15 minutes. Once the fixative dries, I will fuzzy cut the image, leaving very little white space visible. On one of the plate, I am going to spray the adhesive on the reverse side of it, just enough to secure the paper in its place. I am going to gently press down the image to hold secure and cut off the excess. For the next plate, I am deciding on the portion of the napkin I am going to use, and with the help of a thin brush and water, I am going to remove the unwanted part of the napkin. Take very little amount of water on your brush and try to dab out any excess amount of water. Simply run the wet brush on the napkin and you will see the magic. When you run wet brush on the napkin becomes easily tearable, helping us to get the desired portion of the image. When you have the required image from the napkin that you want to stick onto your plate, then it is time to remove the 2-ply or the layers from the back side of it. Next is to apply a thin coat of Mod Podge or spray adhesive or any polymer glue onto the surface. Now take the napkin and place it upside down on the surface very gently. Once you are happy with the placing of your napkin, just press it gently so that there are no bubbles. I am going to use a clear plastic that comes in packaging to remove air bubbles, but try to stay very gentle, otherwise the napkin might tear off. Once this step is done, I will allow the plate to dry naturally. Now my plate is dry and I will now apply a generous coat of Mod Podge with the help of brush, and I will follow strokes from center to the edge of the plate. Now let's check. Both the plates are thoroughly dried. Now let's start working on the plate which has printed image on it. I'm going to wet the paper with the help of a wet brush over the back side of the image. This will help us to loosen up the extra layer of the paper, which can be removed by gently scrubbing your fingers over the page. Just a gentle rub or scrub will help. Just give a gentle rub, otherwise the paper might tear off. At certain point, while rubbing your fingers on the plate, you will see the paper turns thin and translucent, and the image underneath becomes a see-through. Just stop rubbing there. This is what we are exactly looking for. Once dry, apply a generous layer of Mod Podge to it in a similar way as we did to the earlier plate and allow it to dry. Yay! Fun parts begin! Now let's start playing with our acrylic colors. I am going to do dot painting along the negative portion of the plate where there is no napkin. For this, I am going to use dowel. Any dowel size can be used. Just dip the dowel in the paint and place it on the plate. I will be doing dot painting on both the plates, and I will try to play with contrast colors. Once done playing with the acrylic colors and doing the dot paintings, I will allow the plates to dry. I have used here heated tool to dry it. Now I am going to place white acrylic color with the help of a dauber or a sponge brush to completely cover the plate. I will be doing 2 coats of white acrylic on both the plates. Also allow plates to dry after 2 generous coats of white acrylic colors. Now it's time to seal our colors. To protect it from peeling off easily, we need to coat it with a sealant. You can do 2 coats if needed. After letting the sealant dry, you will see the plates will be ready to go on the walls as decor. So guys, I hope you all liked this easy peasy process of decoupage. If so, give this a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel for more videos and new video information. I hope to see you all soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.